Welcome to watch operation videos about Delta Robotic Simulation Platform. This episode shows how to use TriBall. TriBall is a very effective and versatile multi-purpose tool for positioning of components, alignment of components, creation of new multiple components and editing of imported models. TriBall is used for panning, rotation and positioning of objects in the workspace. The TriBall translation controls consist of 3 handles and 3 planes on its surface that allow user to move a part along or around any of its axes. 1D line movement. Drag a 1D handle to move an object along an axis. As user drag, a distance value appears beside the handle, indicating how far the object moved from its original location. User can enter a distance value directly after dragging the handle or after the direct input field is deselected. User can right-click the distance value, choose Edit Value from the resulting pop-up menu and enter the desired distance value in the dialog box. 2D plane movement. When user place the cursor inside a plane, the cursor displayed as 4 arrows, indicating that the shape or part can be dragged up, down, left, or right along the 2D plane. As user drag, a distance value for each direction in the plan will appear, indicating how far the object moved from its original location. 3D rotation. When user click a 3D handle, its axis of rotation is selected and highlighted. To rotate an object around the selected axis, move the cursor within the TriBall. When the cursor changes to a hand and arrow, click and drag to rotate the object around the axis. As user drag, the current angle of rotation displayed in degrees. Panning and rotation, the external handles used for the pan and rotation. Pan operation. Enable TriBall and then drag a 1D handle to move an object along an axis. User can directly pan on the workspace or input the distance in the window. Rotation operation. Click the 3D handle, axis of rotation selected and highlighted, and then drag the cursor to rotate around the selected axis. Aligning and positioning, internal handle used for alignment and positioning the object to the target position. Operation steps as follow. Step 1. Click on the internal handle. Step 2. Right-click on the internal handle. Step 3. Select option to align and position the selected part. Align parallel to axis. Operation steps as follow. Step 1. Click on the internal handle and right-click select parallel to axis. Step 2. Select the surface to be aligned with axis. Step 3. Selected part will be aligned parallel to the surface. Demo video as follow. Align center points. Step 1. Click on the internal handle and right-click select to center point. Step 2. User can move the mouse to the target position. System will automatically guide to the center point of the selected part. Step 3. Selected part will get aligned to the center point. Demo video as follow. Anchor adjustment. Every shape and part has an anchor composed of a green dot and 2 whiskers or short, perpendicular lines. When a shape dropped into the scene as an independent part, a pushpin also displayed at the anchor location. The anchor indicates the point where that shape or part connects to others. For example, when user drop one shape on another one, the second shape's anchor lands on the surface of the first shape. The two green whiskers on the anchor indicate the orientation of the object relative to the global coordinate system of the 3D scene, as illustrated by the scene grid. The object's up direction, indicated by the longer vertical green line. When user first drop a shape or part in the scene, align to up direction with the height axis of the scene. The object's forward direction. The shorter, horizontal green line points forward. Initially, the forward direction of an object aligned with the length axis of the scene. Using TriBall to move the anchor of object. Operation steps as follow. Step 1. Select part. Step 2. Click Start Point on the pushpin of anchor. Step 3. Press F10 to call out the TriBall function to move the anchor point. Step 4. Choose target position to modify anchor location. Demo video as follow. TriBall jog. User can use TriBall jog to move robot to the selected point. Operation steps as follow. Step 1. Click on the tool. Step 2. Click TriBall and then click TriBall jog. Step 3. Simulator on. Step 4. Use TriBall to move the position of path frame. First method, drag move to the target point. Second method, quick align. Right-click, select to point, and select the target point. Demo video as follow. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.